Hey y'all, so we are back at it with another video. So in today's video, we will be doing gypsy twists. Some people call them boho twists, some people call them island twists, but I still call them gypsy twists because that was the first name that they were called, and now it's 2024 and people have their own names about things, but I'm going to continue to still call them gypsy twists. And gypsy just means that it's not uniform, it's messy, it's cute, it's sexy. So here we are. And this video is going pretty fast because I have other twist videos. If you have not seen them yet, I will be sure to put them down in the description box below. But I pretty much twist at the root. So the first thing that you want to do is kind of put the product on your client's hair or your hair, and you want to twist towards the right. And then you want to grab that left side, and then you want to twist that left side towards the right as well. Then you're going to add that gypsy piece, excuse me. You're going to add that gypsy piece, which is the human hair piece, to the hair. And then you're going to apply the Marley twist hair, okay? So this part may look a little difficult. I'm still working with my angles, y'all. Still working with my angles. But then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to grab that left side and I'm going to twist the human hair and that Marley hair into it. And then I'm going to grab that right piece and I'm going to go over the left. And then you're just going to keep doing that same motion all the way down. And then once you add in the other curly hair pieces, what I like to do is I like to kind of tuck it so that it doesn't come out. So all you do is kind of open up the Marley hair a little bit and then you tuck the human hair piece through. And then how I seal my ends is I will twist all the way down and then I will tie a knot and put some nail glue at the end. I'm not going to talk too much in this video, you know, I can ramble, but I'm just going to let y'all enjoy this video. And yes, and if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Brittany Simone, aka Simone Protective Styles, and I help you create styles for you and your client. I am going to start doing some more do-it-yourself. Your girl cut off all her hair. I did the big chop, y'all. You know, I had the blonde on my head and it just was not working out anymore, so I had to let it go. So I said once my hair gets a little bit longer, you know, I'm going to kind of put some short hair do-it-yourself styles out there. And I'm also going to, you know, do other little styles, you know, do-it-yourself. But anyways, I just would like to thank y'all again. And if you have not subscribed and you feel like you like my videos, then go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Go ahead and subscribe to your girl. All right, y'all. Enjoy.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with loose women. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, Tina. It was about